Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 12 power x is equals to 5 factorial and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 12x is equals to 5 factorial. We can write it as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 12 factorial is equals to, when we multiply this, 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. Times 1 is 120. 12 power x is equals to 120. We can break it as 12 times 10. So 12 power x by 12 is equals to 10. Exponent rule, x power m by x power n. We can write it as x power m minus n. So here is 12 power 1. So 12 power x minus 1 is equals to 10. Now I am taking log on both sides. So log 12 power x minus 1 is equals to log 10. So x minus 1 log 12 is equals to log 10 is equals to 1. So x minus 1 is equals to 1 by log 12. The value of log 12 is 1.0791. So x minus 1 is equals to 0.9266. X is equals to 0.9266 plus 1. So x is equals to 1.9266. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.